The Vocabulary Flashcard module offers an easy way to view flashcards for the vocabulary of the entire Hebrew Old Testament, for a book, or for a verse range. To open the Vocabulary Flashcard module, go to Tools on the main menu, then click Language Tools and Vocabulary Flashcard module. We noted that the Vocabulary Flashcard module opens for the first time with the vocabulary for the Greek New Testament. To open the file for the Hebrew Old Testament vocabulary, go to File, Open, then choose hotvoc.vrc. You can double-click on it to open that file. Now you can study the vocabulary of the Hebrew Old Testament.